If you have an important presentation soon, this video is for you. Whether it's a keynote presentation, a sales pitch, or just presenting anything to your team, this latest AI feature by Google can help you out. As you can see, it can give detailed analysis about the presentation structure, your delivery style, the slides themselves, and much, much more. All you have to do is just record yourself practicing. You can use your phone, or in this example, I used my laptop. So what I did is I was practicing a presentation about the lift model, which is a framework that can help you increase conversion on your website. So I only had 3 slides using awareness tactics. So I had 3 slides, and you can see me obviously on the screen talking and explaining this framework. It's around, I would say, 1 to 2 minutes. So once you record yourself, the next step is to upload that video on your drive. And once that's done, what you have to do is go to Google AI Studio. The link will be in the description. Click on this plus icon, click on my drive, and then upload your video. And then use this prompt. You are a world-class public speaking coach and presentation analyst. You are giving the following. So you have the transcript of the video, the visual description, and also audio cues. Because Google AI Studio doesn't only check the transcript of the video, it actually sees the presentation, sees you, and hears you, which means it can give you feedback about how you're presenting, if you're engaging or not. It can tell you if your slides are ugly, if you're talking too fast, too slow, which is definitely a game changer. So the tasks, first thing it's gonna do is give you a presentation summary, so you can know if you're clear with your idea. Does the AI understand what you're talking about? So that's also a good indication. Then it's gonna give you feedback analysis about the following. So the first one is the content structure, the presentation itself. Is it clear? How is the flow? Is it too fast? Is it all over the place? And the cool thing about this prompt is that whenever this AI is gonna give you feedback, it's gonna back up every single insight with data and examples. So it's gonna tell you in second 20, you talk too fast. In second 45, there's a typo on the slide. On 1 minute 20 seconds, you were talking too slow. So not only is it giving you advice, but also it's giving you actionable advice based on data. So it's not making stuff up. So you can know exactly where you messed up or where you did well, so you can improve your presentation. So it's gonna look at the presentation or the presentation itself. Then it's gonna look at the delivery and speaking style. How's your pacing? Are you talking too fast? Too slow? Are you robotic? Are you monotone? How's your body language? How's your facial expressions? It's gonna check all of this and also give you some feedback. And then visual support is gonna look at the slide design. Do you have too much text? Do you have little to no text? So you can also get some insights from there. And then finally, which is only applicable if you have a presentation via, via Zoom or Microsoft Teams, so you have something virtual, it's gonna check the audio to see how's your mic quality and stuff like that. And then we have some output rules, which is to give you non-generic feedback. It has to be actionable, and it has to be backed up with data and examples and timestamps. So what you have to do is copy this prompt. It's a long one. Go back to Google AI Studio, paste it, and run it. And there you have it. So I have a very detailed analysis about my presentation. So you can see first we have the summary, which is about the lift model. It's a framework that can help you understand more as a CRO and how to improve conversions. So regarding content structure, you can see with timestamps what was clear. So from the opening graphic, you can see the word CRO, so you know exactly what to expect. From second 33 to 1 minute, it's an introduction to the lift model. So you can see what's working. It's effective use of relatable analogy. Because in my presentation, I say that your website is like a leaking bucket of water. And it was also able to detect that and apparently like it. Delivery style, the speaker energetic tone when introducing the leaky bucket analogy makes the concept engaging. From also 1 minute 2 to 1 minute 7, the speaker uses hand gestures to emphasize the concept of increasing drivers and decreasing inhibitors. What's missing? I do lots of I should avoid that. While vocal variety is present, more dynamic shifts could further enhance audience engagement. Regarding slides, it also gave me some advice on what's working and what's not working. So it's really helpful, because now if I have a big presentation, I'm gonna record myself. You can bet I'm gonna use this prompt, look at what's working, double down on that, and see my weaknesses and try to fix them, so I'm prepared as much as possible. I hope this tip also helps you out. And if you want more tips and tricks when it comes to AI, marketing, make sure to like and subscribe, because more videos are coming your way.